I am so excited for the second annual PRocon experience. Listen, we are connecting public relations, media, marketing, and communications professionals because we are the engine behind every brand and business. So we're here to talk about how we can help you go pro in your passion.
When you're a pro, you're not only the expert, but you're also the learner.
Go pro in your passion.
To be a pro in my field is to be a leader, upholding the standards of excellence in the field, but also being open enough to teach others and make sure that we continue to grow.
For me, it is freedom, it's flexibility, it's joy, it's doing the things that you love, and it's taking the time to get the knowledge, education, and information to serve other people.
Places like PRocon are impactful because people learn through exposure. When people are able to see other people in other fields doing really remarkable things, it can inspire them within their own career path or encourage them to pivot into other career paths.
It's one space, it's a great networking opportunity. So make sure that you speak to the person next to you. You just never know who's in the room.
With the work that you're doing, a community needs to be supporting you in order for it to be the most impactful that it could be.
It's really just about being able to show up your full self.
Events like PRocon are extremely impactful based on the fact that there's not many chances you'll have to fellowship with as many like-minded people as this.
We want to get you rubbing elbows with people who can help you go pro in your passion, who can help ignite that fire in you to take you to level 2.
It was important for me to be here and share my story because there are so many young women like me that don't see people like me in the space. So to really be a voice for them and to show them that they can do it is everything to me.
To be able to be a speaker and moderate a panel and engage with so many other amazing panelists is important because we all have something to share to each other.
I think my biggest takeaway from this event is to never stop promoting yourself, talk about your wins and your losses, and it'll take you so much further.
My experience at PRocon has been absolutely phenomenal. It's been the most authentic experience. Everybody's so warm, welcoming, and honestly, if you're not here, I don't know what you're doing in the DMV.
The conversations that we have, and I hear people coming up to me in the lobby saying, we had tangible jewels to walk away with, tangible gems. So, you know, we did a really great job of just curating a space where people can walk away with actionable items.
I would describe like PRocon as a mixture of Black excellence, communications, media, and community all in one room.
In my own words, I would describe PRocon as powerful.
This is a place where you're going to get FaceTime. You are going to connect with other professionals and build your network, which is invaluable.
I would recommend PRocon to everyone because it is a great place for entrepreneurs, social media managers and strategists, media professionals, all to come together and be in one big place to really learn and enhance your skills.
Go pro with your passion.
Let's go pro.
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 Cute.